Hello! I have yet another Temu haul here. I forget when I ordered this. It got here pretty quick. This little box. It's mainly accessories. Yeah, this is stuff I bought. I have another influencer haul coming. And I can't, by the time it gets here, I don't remember what I ordered. But it doesn't take that long. So, Temu, right here. I ordered this. Is supposedly, these are trending on TikTok. I don't know. I just heard that. But it's a jaw, neck, face lifter thing. So yeah, maybe I'll try it. I don't know. So I just got one, and they weren't very much. I think they were like 75 cents or something. Something like that. So I'll give that a shot. Then I got some insoles for my shoes, just to try these out. I got a couple shoes that seem kind of flat, so I need some arch supports in them. So these were like $2, I think. I'll give those a try. I got an assortment of those. Oh, and then I got, these are, what do you call these? Sealing wax. I got, what are these? I make infused spirits, and I want to use these to seal the tops of the bottles, kind of like Maker's Mark does. So I'll give that a try someday, maybe. I thought it might look kind of swanky. Oh, this is really cute. This is a new phone case for my phone. Mine's getting kind of worn out. So this is darling. It's got a little cute baby Godzilla on it. Like a dinosaur and a little duck. So I will be putting this on soon. And that was like maybe $2, maybe. I don't know if it was that much. What's this? Oh, this is adhesive vinyl. It's kind of like contact paper, but it's vinyl, and I thought I could use them for my doll shoes. Oh, it's got two of them here. It's got adhesive on the back, and I cover the soles of my shoes, the bases that I print out on the 3D printer with this stuff. I got some cream color. They came out pretty good. I got them on a doll somewhere. Maybe I'll take a picture. They came out pretty good, so I got this black. I can always use black. Black is a popular color for stuff. Oh, these are just more arch supports to put in some flat shoes that I got that are too flat. They're just kind of foamy. These were cheap. And I got an assortment of those things just to try. Because we had a whole bunch I didn't know. And these are just scrappy ones. And that was there. What else do I got? Oh, these are the same kind of thing as this. And oh, these I ordered by mistake. I'm going to return them. These don't stay in your Crocs. They fall out. It'd be my luck for them to fall out and I'd trip on the darn thing. So I'm going to return these. And what's that in here? Oh, this is the burner for the, where are those things? The sealing wax. This is a little burner. I think you put just a tea light in there. I will show you. Let's go. Like this. I guess, oh yeah, just sits like that. And then I can get this guy open. There. And there. I have to be right back. I'm back. Some dog here didn't think they could get it through the doggy door. And this is where you put your little sealing wax things in. You put a candle under this thing, I guess, and then heat it up, set it on there, heat it up, then dump it over. So I don't know, I'll see how that works. Kind of cool. Well, these are the shoes. This is the vinyl I used on these bases for this Dollykin doll. So that's what I'm doing with that stuff. And let's see. That's 8. I should try to demo this thing. This is a water reservoir for your paint. When you're painting. Let me see. Let's get it out and look. Ooh. See. It's a little thing like this. It's got a water tank here. You put your brushes in here, and then when the water's dirty, you hit that, it goes down in this container here. So then you can run fresh water, which is kind of handy when you're in the middle of a project. I think this was an expensive item. It was like $7. So let me look at it. Doesn't look too bad. I've never seen anything like it. A friend of mine who paints has never seen anything like it either. Oh boy. Requires some assembly here. Oh, that's this. Yeah. So I guess it goes like this. There's this, goes like this. Dumping your water in there, and it comes out through here. And then you'll have the switch to open a little dealie to let the water drain into there. So if I get it put together, I'll make a little video and show it. But that's all I got for now. I've got another one coming probably today or tomorrow. So I will see you later. Bye-bye. I'm back. This thing, no good. This is going back. This got cross-threaded immediately. It's so jammed we can't get it. This is faulty, and this thing here is faulty. So this is going to go back somehow. So on that note, bye again.